Best Interior Living Room Exposed Brick Wall Design Ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the beauty of interior design with our latest video showcasing the best interior living room exposed brick wall design ideas. If you're a fan of rustic charm, industrial vibes, or just looking to add a touch of character to your living space, you're in for a treat. In this video, we've curated a collection of stunning living room designs featuring exposed brick walls that effortlessly blend modern elegance with vintage aesthetics. From cozy family spaces to chic urban lofts, these ideas are sure to inspire your next home decor project. Dive into a world of creativity as we explore various styles, color palettes, and decorative elements that complement exposed brick walls perfectly. Whether you prefer minimalist decor, bohemian vibes, or a mix of both, we've got something for every taste. Watch till the end for pro tips and tricks on how to incorporate exposed brick walls seamlessly into your living room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your guests. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to comment below and let us know which design stole your heart or if you have any questions about the featured styles. Your feedback means the world to us. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. Let's transform your living room into a stylish haven together.